Are you looking for an effective solution for preparing high-quality concrete? Pay attention to the mobile concrete plant COMPACT-8 from 4BUILD. The main advantages of COMPACT-8. Super mobile construction, 2,560 meters high and 3,767 meters wide. Two-section hopper with belt conveyors DKM-8 provides loading of sand and crushed stone. Productivity up to 8 cubic meters per hour. Supplements. Gear motor, Italian Bonfiglioli. Water dosing, flow type. BP 300 concrete mixer, mounted on strain gauges. Provides accurate weighing and mixing of components. Control panel, 3 operation modes, automatic, semi-automatic, manual. Only one person is needed for maintenance. COMPACT-8 is not simple equipment. It is your reliable partner for a successful business. The manufacturer, 4BUILD, guarantees quality and reliability in each component.